Welcome to Compare to Win. The best big board is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any modern kitchen, offering a spacious and stable surface for everything from intricate food preparation to casual family meals. Its robust construction and ample surface area make it ideal for rolling out dough, chopping vegetables, or even serving appetizers, transforming your culinary experience with both functionality and style. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, a high-quality cutting board like the big board can significantly enhance your workflow and elevate the presentation of your dishes, making it a worthwhile investment for any home. Number 5. Brand's Farmhouse Linen Bulletin Board 30x20. Display your reminders, photos, notes, and inspiration with this versatile linen bulletin board. It's perfect for your home, office, classroom, kitchen, or entryway. This board features a stylish white wood farmhouse frame and a premium linen surface. It blends decorative wall decor with everyday function, ideal for various home office styles. Installation is quick and easy with the included mounting hardware and instructions. You can mount it vertically or horizontally to perfectly fit your space. The dense backing securely grips pins and thumbtacks, concealing pinholes for a clean look. It's designed for long-lasting performance whether at home or school. We are passionate about providing well-designed, stylish organization solutions. Our products are created to help you feel inspired and keep your space tidy. What we like. If you're looking to add a touch of rustic charm to your home or office, this is the perfect choice. Its premium linen fabric surface and farmhouse-style frame make it a decorative piece as well as functional. The dense backing ensures it securely grips pins, keeping your displays pristine. What people say. The linen surface feels high quality and holds push pins securely without that weird crumbling effect cheaper boards get. The wood frame gives it a clean finished look instead of the usual sad office supply aesthetic. It is sturdy, lightweight, and easy to mount. It's sturdy, easy to hang, and the perfect size for pinning up important notes, reminders, or even some fun decor. The design is sleek and professional, so it blends well in a workspace. This pinboard offers a clean, elegant design with a white frame that complements a variety of decor styles. The neutral fabric surface is great for displaying notes, photos, or reminders using pins. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, while the subtle texture of the fabric adds a refined touch. Number 4. Titanium Cutting Board. Introducing the Titanium Cutting Board, a versatile 2-in-1 kitchen tool designed for modern cooking. It offers a superior cutting experience for all your food preparation needs. One side is crafted from pure titanium, perfect for raw and cooked meats. The other side, made of PP material, is ideal for fruits and vegetables, preventing cross-contamination. Say goodbye to the issues of traditional boards. This cutting board resists deep cuts, prevents odor absorption, and ensures a more hygienic food preparation surface. It features a built-in juice groove to catch liquids and a convenient grinding area for garlic and ginger. These thoughtful additions make your cooking process more efficient and less messy. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its non-stick surfaces, simply rinse with water. It also includes a hole for easy hanging and drying, keeping your kitchen tidy. Presented in exquisite gift packaging, this cutting board makes an ideal present for holidays and special events, showing you care about your loved one's health and convenience. What we like. For the home chef who values hygiene and efficiency, this cutting board is a game changer. One side is pure titanium for raw meats, the other is PP for vegetables, preventing cross-contamination. The integrated juice groove and garlic grinder save you time and mess in the kitchen. What people say. The big board is a fantastic tool for brainstorming and collaboration. Its large surface area allows multiple people to work on it simultaneously, and the included markers are vibrant and easy to erase. I love the sleek design of the big board. It's not only functional but also a stylish addition to my office. The magnetic surface is a great feature for attaching notes and documents. The durability of the big board is impressive. It's made of high-quality materials that seem like they will last for years. The smooth writing surface makes it a pleasure to use. Number 3. VIZ-PRO Magnetic Dry Erase Whiteboard 36x24 Black. Introducing the VIZ-PRO Magnetic Dry Erase Whiteboard, a versatile tool for your home, school, or office. Its smooth writing surface makes it perfect for a variety of uses. Experience a high-quality writing surface that is both smooth and durable. It ensures easy dry wiping, making your notes and presentations clear and concise. This board features an anti-scratch black aluminum frame with ABS plastic corners for added durability. It's designed to withstand daily use while maintaining a sleek look. Customize the orientation to fit your needs. You can easily mount this board either horizontally or vertically, making it adaptable to any space. Ideal for classrooms, offices, kitchens, and more. Use it for learning, presentations, drawing, or even grocery lists, all without wasting paper. Remember to remove the protective film before use for the best writing experience. We are here to help if you have any questions. What we like. If you need a reliable and versatile writing surface for your home, school, or office, this magnetic whiteboard is an excellent option. Its smooth, durable surface is easy to clean, and the anti-scratch aluminum frame ensures longevity. You can mount it horizontally or vertically to perfectly fit your space and needs. What people say. The VIZ-PRO Magnetic Dry Erase Whiteboard is an excellent whiteboard that is easy to hang, has a nice clean white surface, and erases cleanly. Installation was much easier than other whiteboards I've purchased. The surface of the board is clean and easy to wipe off, and dry erase pens didn't seem to stain it. Number 2. VIZ-PRO Double-Sided Magnetic Mobile Whiteboard. Introducing the VIZ-PRO Double-Sided Magnetic Mobile Whiteboard, designed to enhance your presentations, teaching, and training sessions. Its double-sided functionality makes your work more efficient and organized. Experience a smooth and durable magnetic writing surface that is easy to dry wipe with any dry erase marker. The robust construction ensures stability during use. Easily adjust the writing angle with 360-degree rotation. Simply loosen the side handles, set your desired angle, and tighten them to lock it securely in place. Move this board effortlessly to any location thanks to its 4 durable, 360-degree rotating caster wheels. 2 of these wheels feature locking brakes for added stability. Built with a strong, anti-scratch silver-finished aluminium frame and stand, it provides a sturdy and reliable experience. It also includes a detachable marker tray and 2 hooks. Assembly is straightforward with the included instruction sheet and tools. Get your new whiteboard set up and ready to use in no time. What we like. This is the ultimate tool for dynamic presentations, teaching, or collaborative sessions. Its large, double-sided magnetic surface offers ample writing space, and the ability to rotate 360 degrees allows for easy switching. The lockable wheels ensure stability when you need it and mobility when you don't. What people say. Dry erase markers show up brilliantly and wipe off effortlessly. The board and stand are very well conceived and built quite sturdy while maintaining ease of use. For classrooms, demos, brainstorming or laying out football plays, this flippable 2-sided upright mobile whiteboard is large and allows the user to cover a lot of ground, including text and diagrams. The board is large and allows the user to cover a lot of ground, including text and diagrams, and can become quite integral in all types of uses, from the classroom to the restaurant. Number 1. Keechee Bamboo Cutting Board Set. Introducing our set of 3 bamboo cutting boards, designed to fit every culinary need. From large meal prep to small slicing tasks, these boards offer the perfect size for efficiency and organization in your kitchen. Our boards are treated with high-temperature carbonization, significantly reducing moisture absorption. This process enhances their structural stability, resisting warping and odors for a longer lifespan. Crafted with a strong cross-laminated bamboo structure, these boards are exceptionally durable and resistant to splitting. The smooth, finely sanded surface is also knife-friendly, protecting your blades. Made from sustainably harvested bamboo, our cutting boards are a durable and environmentally responsible addition to your kitchen. Bamboo's rapid growth makes it an excellent eco-conscious material. Thanks to their low water absorption, these boards are simple to clean and maintain. They also feature convenient hanging holes for easy drying and space-saving storage. Effortlessly move ingredients or serve guests with the built-in handles. This thoughtful design ensures a secure grip, preventing accidental drops and making food transfer a breeze. What we like. If you appreciate eco-friendly and versatile kitchen tools, this bamboo cutting board set is ideal. It comes with 3 different sizes to suit all your chopping, slicing, and serving needs. The carbonized bamboo is durable, resists moisture, and the built-in handles make maneuvering a breeze. What people say. This versatile set includes 3 different sizes, 15 by 10 inches, 12 by 8 inches, and 9 by 6 inches, so I always have the right board for whatever task I'm doing, from chopping meats and vegetables to slicing bread and fruits. The carbonization process not only gives the boards a rich, dark hue, but it also reduces moisture absorption, which means no cracking or molding over time. The cross-laminated construction makes them resistant to warping, and they look great in my kitchen, too. Each cutting board has a juice groove around the edge to catch liquids and prevent spills on the counter. Each boards have a water drop-shaped hole at the corner, making them easy to hang or grip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.